I always do my very best and easily give 100% in every positive challenge. And I accept my personal best to be all that is ever needed, and that is perfectly okay. I am grateful for who I am. Each day I lovingly find some alone time to gather my creative and prosperous thoughts, to confidently focus on my positive goals, and to enjoy some abundant, magical dreams. I love and accept my special self just the way the incredible universe created me. I always try to be my good and unique self today, and I gently let my precious and worthy feelings wander free, and I allow my valuable self to be expressed successfully and effortlessly. I graciously start fresh and clean with each new glorious day, because each special day is a generous gift that I gratefully enjoy to the fullest. Thank you that I am alive today. My keen mind easily finds a place of nourishing solitude whenever needed, where I feel truly safe and lovingly protected. All of the healthy, active muscles in my beautiful body are releasing the tension and negativity from the day, letting healthy me be completely at ease and comfortable. I believe in my worthy and special self wholeheartedly, and I possess a gentle and nurturing confidence that always guides me in the right and truly best and highest direction for me. Thank you for that. The best and the highest surrounds me, protects me, and flows throughout my entire wonderful being and life at every moment. I have a healthy respect for myself, and I respect the beautiful world all around, and I humbly respect every good person in it. I enjoy being humble and easily let go of my ego, which allows my loving heart to guide me at all times. And I try to be kind and loving to myself and to everyone I encounter. I am a remarkable part